The reconstruction work of a Dharmshala at Buddha Nilkant began with Indian assistance in Kathmandu on Thursday, according to the Embassy of India in Nepal. Deputy Chief of the Embassy of India to Nepal, Namgya Silkhampa, and Sushil Gyawali, Chief Executive Officer of National Reconstruction Authority of Government of Nepal, jointly laid the foundation stone for the reconstruction of the Dharmshala at Buddha Nilkant Temple, Kathmandu. Reconstruction of the Dharmshala at Buddha Nilkant is the third of the 28 cultural heritage conservation and restoration projects being undertaken with the reconstruction of Nepali rupees 5,800 million committed by the Indian government for the cultural heritage sector. The Central Level Project Implementation Unit of the National Reconstruction Authority is the implementing agency. The Dharmshala at Buddha Nilkant is expected to facilitate the visit of pilgrims and tourists visiting this sacred temple.
It is India's endeavour and our common endeavour with Nepal to restore, to preserve and protect Nepal's rich cultural heritage for future generations. The cultural, the social, the religious links between India and Nepal are as old as time itself. And we see it not only as our duty and responsibility, but also as our immense privilege to be able to contribute in the celebration, in the protection and in the preservation of these cultural links which are shared, and these monuments and the temples that are testament to the rich civilization and cultural traditions that both countries and both people hold dear.
The event was attended by Swami Nigamananda, Mathadish of Temple, Lakshman Khatka, Chairman Buddha Nilkant Management Committee and others. India has been working with Nepal for the restoration of cultural heritage projects in past too. Earlier in November 2019, the Mathadish building for Buddha Nilkant Temple, built under India's Development Cooperation Scheme at a total cost of Nepali rupees 22 million.